When is co-managed not co-managed? Hi, Bob Coppage, Grand Poobah, Simplex-IT here. And this has been kind of creating a bug for me of late. And that's because here at Simplex-IT, we are one of the leaders in the co-managed IT service industry, which is a subset of managed service providers that works with the internal IT folks for clients. And we do almost half of our business is co-managed because we find it a great way to bring the strengths of internal IT folks and the strengths of a managed service provider such as Simplex-IT together. And we've been finding that we've got a lot of competition, which is absolutely great and absolutely wonderful. And a lot of our potential clients, and in some cases, new clients, are finding out that we're a little bit more expensive. But then we take a look at the agreements that they're looking at, and it's not co-managed. Co-managed is a partnership between the provider and the internal IT folks. And what we found is in a number of cases, the managed service providers are essentially monitoring or doing the absolute minimum necessary, but saying to the internal IT folks, if you need us, call us and we'll bill you for it. Not exactly a partnership. If you take a look at, and I'm going to cause Haley some difficulties, so here's a scroll of all the stuff that's included with the commits or co-managed stuff, or it's on this side. I don't know what she's going to do. She's totally, I don't know what she does. But these are all the things that are included. The only question is, who's responsible for managing or for responding to these things? Is it the internal IT or the managed service provider? So if you're taking a look at co-managed, make sure you're getting value. Talking to you internal IT folks, make sure that your life is going to be easier. That you're going to have a partner that you can call and you can basically say, hey, I want to talk about AI. I want to talk about Copilot. I want to talk about MDR versus EDR versus XDR. And it's not a sales pitch. That's co-managed. The other stuff, we used to call that monitoring only. We're past that, aren't we? Anyway, you want to know more about co-managed and commits the way Simplex-IT does it? Here's a link to a couple other videos. Check it out. And by the way, if you really want to tick the other MSPs off who are doing this sort of thing, you should like this, subscribe to it, comment. If you're in a situation that is not co-managed, but it's called co-managed, let me know about it in the comments below. Let's trash talk. No, let's not trash talk people, but let's make it right.